excellence in education and all-round development isn't just our motto, it's a promise laid by Chairman Sir and Managing Director Madam, guiding every Ryanite towards their potential.
We, students of Xavier's High School Goregaon, pride ourselves on learning leadership qualities on this perfect platform to mold tomorrow's change makers.
Today, we gather to celebrate a milestone in our journey with the investiture ceremony of our newly elected student council members.
Join us as we witness these young leaders pledge their commitment to service and responsibility.
What advice would you like to give to our newly elected council members?
I would say that you should always be sincere, honest, and think of the good of the school and good of the nation.
The newly elected council should be setting an example to their peer group, and they should help the staff, the teachers, to carry out all the programs, the training programs which are meticulously planned in the academics, as well as the sports. So they should be the key, what you can say, key players in the plans of academic as well as sports, and they should bring their peers to the ground so that all these programs can be very well implemented as per the directions.
It is a journey of prosperity and at the same time the production of the school itself. So when we take responsibilities and we think about what to do next, it's about the responsibility of the school. So I'm sure that they are going to do their task very well.
In what way do you plan to fulfill your responsibility this year?
As a president of my school, I plan to fulfill my responsibilities by encouraging students to go in Ryan events like Theatre Festival. I will maintain coordinations with all the ministers so that our parliament can run smoothly.
As a Vice President of School Council Parliament, I plan to carry out my responsibilities with dedication and teamwork and would likely to work closely with every teacher and school leader to bring out positive changes for the betterment of our school.
As I am elected as the Prime Minister of the school parliament, I had planned to carry out my responsibilities by listening to student concerns and ideas, working with the ministers to address issues, fostering a positive school environment. I will encourage each and every student of my school to participate in all Ryan events, as I have participated in various Ryan events and I am capable to represent in front of big crowd. So I want my friends to be representative and be confident and they can represent in front of a big crowd.
As the Deputy Prime Minister of the school, my primary responsibility would be to ensure the smooth functioning of the school and support the Prime Minister. As I have participated in many Ryan events, I will encourage students to participate in Ryan events to gain more knowledge, confidence and experience. Thank you. As a speaker of the school, I will make sure that everybody is given this chance to speak and no one feels left out, and everybody feels confident to speak in front of the crowd. As I have participated in various sign events and I have gained confidence in myself. So I will make sure that everybody participates in Ryan event and gain confidence in themselves.
As a deputy speaker, I'll do my duties honestly, maintain discipline and make other students courage to participate in Ryan events.
leadership is not about titles, but about action and example, a vision we carry forward.
From organizing school-wide events to social causes that matter, our student council will leave a lasting impact on every student.
We wish all the newly elected council members all the very best for the year ahead. On that note, this is YG Jagruti.
And this is YJ Astha signing up for Young Journalists on Rayan TV.